A pseudosphere is an interesting surface with constant negative Gaussian curvature. It is like the opposite version of a normal sphere, and it can oscillate along the ramp. So, is it really defying the gravity? To understand what's going on, we have to know the criteria of the rolling of a double cone first. The criteria is given by this formula, where this is beta, this is theta, and this is alpha. The value of alpha changes with the position of the pseudosphere. When the pseudosphere is at downside, the ramp is closer together, so alpha is large, and hence tangent alpha. And the pseudosphere behaves like a double cone and rolls uphill. When the pseudosphere is at top side, the ramp is farther apart, so alpha is small, and hence tangent alpha. And the pseudosphere behaves like a normal cylinder and rolls downhill. The pseudosphere keeps oscillating until it stops due to energy loss, when tangent theta equals the product of tangent alpha and tangent beta.